Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been 3 weeks since I've had me full knee replacement on my right knee. It's healing up fine, still a bit painful, and I find I can't stand too long on my knee. So while I've been sitting here quiet, I've done a few 3D models of the valves, because you've got a high pressure and a low pressure valve, and the valve carriers. So what I'll do, I'll show you the 3D models on the computer. Right, that is the low pressure valve carrier. If I rotate the view, look, you can see a little bit. So that'll be then made into a STL ready for a 3D print. Then the next one I've got here, get rid of that one. That's a low pressure valve. So if I rotate that view, you'll be able to see that slot there will be where a spring will go to help hold the bottom tight. If I swing it right over, that little hole there, that recess, that's where the steam would be going underneath. That's the lower side. That then again will be made into an STL and then ready for 3D printing. Then we've got, that's a high pressure valve. It's a little bit narrower but the same width. Same again. If I rotate that, and there's the recess for the steam which goes over the slots on in the steam chest. And that'll be the high pressure valve carrier, which if I do the same again, you can see that'll be where there'll be a thread, that'll be your valve rods. Right, so that's those. So I'll just save them as an STLs and then get them into the 3D printer software, ready for printing. Right, that'll be the 2 valves and the 2 valve carriers in the 3D printing software. Now if we go there, we can slice that. So that's sliced. So if we go there, you'll see the layers. That's how it will be printed from the base upwards. So what I do now is I'll save that ready for printing then. As soon as I can get out in the workshop, print those and we'll cast them in some, I have got some bronze which I can melt, cast those. Also, while I've been sat here quiet, I've been doing some key rings. I made some and I showed them at work, friends at work. That's the base. And the friends at work, they liked them, so they wanted some. So what I've done is I've shut that one up there, look. Put their name in it. That's his nickname. Dave. And another one there, Nipper. So what I'll do is I save them as an STL and get them ready for the 3D printer, and I can cast those as well in brass. And then what I've got is some low heat enamelling powder, so I sprinkle that in there, and you put it in a little oven with some tea lights, cover it over for 3 minutes, and then the enamelling powder melts, and then I polish all of that lot up and it comes out quite good. So I'll just show you those in the 3D, in the printing software. So there's the key rings in the 3D printing software, ready for slicing. So what we'll do is we'll go up to there, and what we'll do is we'll add a base and some supports so it gets it off the print bed. So if we rotate that, we should be able to there we go, it's adding the supports, look, and the bases. Yeah, good. So what we'll do now is we go back to there and we'll slice that. And then if we slide that slider down, you'll see each layer going down to the first layer, which will be down on the build plate. And you print all of that lot up. Look, each layer going up. Printed. Right, so if we save that ready for printing. So there we are. So as soon as I can get out in the workshop, I've been told not to, I'll be out there making another video and carrying on. Thanks for being patient. Please subscribe to my channel and join me as I build a 2-inch scale Fowler Showmans Traction Engine.